Hello, proud students. We miss you. We miss your bunking lectures, all of you chilling in the parking, your corridor gossip sessions, and the classrooms have lost their charms. क्या दिन आ गए हैं? These pandemic times have definitely taken a toll on us. कब शुरू होगा college? I really miss college days. This has become the pledge of 2020. All day, every day, all we say is I miss college. Well, classes आप सबके बिना are like body without soul. We miss the soul of your energy. That's you guys. Due to this pandemic situation, we have been away from each other for more than 60 days now. But not anymore. The time has come to accept virtuality. Well, get your Wi-Fi connection in place. Put your devices in healthy modes because it's time for some career from homes. Gone are the days of distance relationship. It's time for some distance learning. कितने सारे लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप वर्कआउट होते हैं एंड दे स्टैंड स्ट्रॉन्ग, तो ये डिस्टेंस लर्निंग भी डेफिनेटली वर्कआउट होगा. वैसे भी लर्निंग इन पजामास इज सो कूल, राइट? ऑन हाई डिमांड we are resuming our full-time online classes from 1st of July for all first year, second year and final year students. It's going to be same teachers, of course, with an additional new faces. Same badge, of course, with addition of new faces here as well. Your course, of course, teaching relevant information to what's currently applicable in post-COVID-19 world, just digitally. Of course, online education is the way forward now more than ever. A timetable will be set by your academic mentors and will be followed in routine to cover the syllabus in the right pace. Now, those who can't make it up for online classes, we will start a fast track batch once we begin the college academics and operations, the brick and mortar way. Additional inputs and knowledge answering your top friendly asked questions and queries are as follows. Well, ये सुनने के बाद काफी सवाल जवाब चल रहे होंगे आपके दिमाग में. So let's go through your top questions. Your top challenge or question number 1. When will the college open and when are we expected to report to college, like physically college कब जा पाएंगे? So the answer to your question is, आप सबकी तरह हम सबको भी यही लग रहा है. When will the lockdown end? At this moment, we are waiting for the lockdown to open and hear about the way forward on the Maharashtra government policy for education institutions and colleges front, so that we can further estimate, analyze and have more clarity at our end. As per the latest directives from Maharashtra CM declared recently, we are expected to keep the academic classes non-operative till 30th of June 2020. And again, we are awaiting their further approvals and permissions even to start the academy from 1st of July onwards. ये सब कुछ हमारी भलाई के लिए ही है. And trust us, virtually is the new yet the safest reality of life at this point. इसीलिए online classes is really a good thing to do. In view of the same and considering many out of the station students, we have decided to start conducting online classes regularly from 1st July 2020 onwards and as per the detailed academic calendar that shall be shared with you by your respective mentors. अभी जो दूसरा सवाल आपके मन में उठ रहा होगा वो है कि when will the academy start with regular physical classes in a classroom setting? Like हम लोग हमारी classes में कब बैठेंगे? Now here's the solution. As of now, we intend to start with regular college in actual classroom setting from Tuesday, 1st September 2020 onwards. Till then, the students can gain knowledge and upgrade their skills by attending online classes which shall begin latest by 1st of July onwards and shall continue till 30th October 2020. Simultaneously, online classes options shall be available for the students who do not wish to or can't come to Pune even in the month of September and October. These sets of students who prefer learning online can continue online classes till 30th of October this year. So, to summarize, online classes shall start from 1st of July 2020 and from 1st September 2020, retail or classroom training shall begin. Both online and retail mode training options shall be available for students till 30th of October 2020. Depending upon the situation that shall prevail then, all students can attend college physically from 1st November onwards. However, these dates are based on certain assumptions and can change depending upon the COVID-19 impact and other economic scenarios. The college management shall keep you posted from time to time. Your top challenge or question number 3. What about existing and pending syllabus and practical subjects? Design education तो सबसे ज़्यादा practicality के बारे में है. ये कैसे sort होगा? Now, here's the solution. From Monday 15th of June 2020 onwards, college will again start online classes for batches from 2019 to 20 session and cover all the pending syllabus using innovative teaching methodology and online training. We are making a timetable in such a way that it shall cover all the pending syllabus and programs for last year students positively by 31st of August 2020. However, if any one of you is not comfortable with online classes and want to study and complete the syllabus in a retail education mode only, then an option to cover the same from 1st September onwards in a classroom style shall open for these particular students. We shall create various batches with various time slots, share the batch calendar with you in due course of time through your academic mentors. You can select your preferential batch timing and join accordingly. All the students who have enrolled in November 2019 or any month thereafter shall be considered as new students, and we intend to allot a fresh batch to them, and we share the batch calendar with them in due course of time through their academic mentors. And please, ज़्यादा सोचो मत. Instead of ज़्यादा सोच विचार, start acting on the situation. Like this situation will make you more independent. This will help you do things on your own and make you a responsible person. And पूरे लॉकडाउन all you have cribbed about is lazy हो गए हैं, बोर हो गए हैं, भूख लगी है. So please just stop and act responsibly and be productive. Only this motto will help you achieve your dreams, and cribbing and soch vichar will just waste your time. So come on, buckle up. Your top challenge or question number 4. I do not have internet facility. Also, there is a very poor network at my hometown. I do not have computer or other material for assignment. Here's the solution. Where there's a will, there's a way. And by the way, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So start taking steps because now virtuality is the new reality. आपको पता ही होगा, recently Google said that this lockdown has helped them understand कि they can hire talent from anywhere around the world and cut down on transportation, hospitality charges because work from home is possible and the best way. कितने सारे स्टार्टअप्स को रियलाइज हुआ है कि इंस्टेड ऑफ रेंटिंग अ प्लेस, ऑल वी नीड टू डू इज एक्सेप्ट वर्चुअलिटी एंड मैनेज थिंग्स वर्चुअली टू राइज अप. टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ हमको चलना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज दैट इज द रियलिटी नाउ. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स रिस्पेक्ट टाइम एंड मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. If you are serious about your career, you have a learning mindset with a strong desire to complete your course and want to become a highly paid expert and achieve name, fame and money, then online learning will definitely help you big time to fulfill this dream of yours. The reason we are starting our batches from 1st of July 2020 onwards so that you get enough and sufficient time to be resourceful and manage or arrange stuffs and priorities at your end. You are requested to be resourceful and manage the following things at your end. Internet. You can apply for a Wi-Fi connection at home, vice versa, invest in an internet dongle or dialer. Vice versa, upgrade your data pack on your mobile. Computer. If you already have a PC at home, it's great. If not, then you have two choices. One, you can buy a PC, but we understand it would need certain investment at your end. Alternatively, second option is that you can easily rent a PC. You need to search for a company who gives computers on rent in Justdial or Google and be resourceful. Kindly refer to the below configuration as a general guideline from our side. You can of course vary from it and buy or rent a higher or a lower configuration PC that suits your requirement and budget. Motherboard. Processor, latest Intel i5, i7. RAM, minimum 8 to 16 GB RAM. Graphics card, 2 to 4 GB graphics card. Hard disk, 1 TB. Screen, Full HD, 1920 by 1080. Keyboard, mouse. For desktop, multiple fan cabinet with pure 500 watt SMPS. Your smartphones can also do wonders for you. I'm just telling you in case you overstress yourself. Swing machine for fashion students. Fashion students, if you have a swing machine at home, use that or borrow one from someone. Or last option, buy a basic model to begin with. If you wish to buy a high hand machine, it is again your choice, but a basic version of swing machine to begin with is good to go. Stationery. Now you can easily procure required materials from stationery shops as they will be open soon. And please, stationery is essential. Don't skip your lectures because of this reason, like pen, pencil, पेपर, कलर्स, पेंट ब्रश जैसे बेसिक्स तो होंगे ही, तो नोट डाउन करो. पूरे 24 आवर्स हैं, so you can like practice stitch to build up with those notes as well. Your top challenge or question number 5. What are the timings for online classes? Who is the faculty or the teacher? What subject we will begin with? What is the new syllabus? The solution here is, we shall share all these details with you at minimum 1 week prior to the start of your academic batches in your respective WhatsApp groups that has been created by the management for your batch. So request you to keep checking your WhatsApp groups of the college for regular updates and keep in touch with your mentors. HODs shall soon be conducting an orientation session and shall update you with the timing, faculties, subjects and syllabus part in details. The time for the orientation program shall again be shared with you in your college WhatsApp groups. So be active and check your official WhatsApp groups created by your mentors. Further, please note that we shall be forming a new WhatsApp groups as well as when need arises, since a lot of students shall be taking the online classes in some other time slot depending upon the subject which is being taught online, and all the students from across different batches shall at times be taught together. We also plan to post recordings of selected lectures in the groups for the benefit of the students who would miss it at times. But please, do not miss the lectures assuming that all the recordings will be made available. Do not take any chances and attend the online lectures as per the schedule shared with you by the mentors. We shall further post assignments as well in the group, and you are expected to complete it from home and submit the same as per the instructions shared by your respective mentors. सब कुछ आपको बताया जाएगा थ्रू मैसेजेस, तो प्लीज चिंता मत कीजिए. थोड़े अपडेट्स पर ध्यान दीजिए. जैसे प्लेन टेक ऑफ करने से पहले एयर होस्टेस सारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस देती है, वैसे ही हम भी आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन टाइम टू टाइम प्रोवाइड करेंगे. लाइक द नेक्स्ट सेशन इज अबाउट द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ कलर. ये सारी चीजें तैयार रखिए एंड लाइकवाइज. योर टॉप चैलेंज और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. What about the final exams? When will it be conducted? Our Maharashtra government are in the process of finalizing the guidelines for the examination, and our CM has also recommended that the students should be automatically promoted to the next year without conducting examination. More updated information will be provided to you soon. But it is still under consideration phase, and the final decision shall depend upon the universities and their management committees. We shall come back to you once we get more clarity on this front. However, this is for sure that till 30th of July, there won't be any examinations conducted. Private program students shall automatically be promoted to next year, and the certification will be awarded to all current year students by 30th of September 2020, subject to clearance of their complete tuition fees. Further, Savitribai Phule Pune University has already declared and promoted all their students to the next year without giving any examination. Also, for YCMOU students, there is no clarity on the examination date front till now from the university. However, there are bright chances that the annual examinations shall be mostly conducted in the month of October 2020. You have an option to carry forward all the subjects as per YCMOU norms, so you can actually take all the exams all together for the current year as well as the next year, either in October 2020 or May 21. Kindly stay connected with your mentors for real-time updates on this. Your top challenge or question number 7. So if I am being automatically promoted to next year, can I still complete my syllabus? Also, my online classes for the current year's syllabus shall be starting from 1st July 2020 as conveyed. So will I be able to manage both pending lectures from the current year and new lectures from the next year? Solution? Yes, you are expected to cover the pending syllabus to your satisfaction level as though you shall be getting the certification for your current year. We strongly believe knowledge is more important than just a certification or diploma, as the case may be. We strongly recommend to attend all the Zoom lectures as per training calendar that shall be shared with you by your mentors. We shall be scheduling 2 to 4 lectures per day, ranging from a minimum of 40-minute session every time to a maximum of 120-minute session, depending upon the academic requirement for first year, second year and final year students, their backlog in the syllabus and the new portion that needs to be covered simultaneously. Further, you are expected to be mentally prepared to pour in hard work and also at times attend 1 or 2 extra lecture per day pertaining to the next year's syllabus. We strongly believe now is the time to make up for your career and make the most of our available time so that you can become a highly successful and paid expert and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. Always remember, hard work is the key to success. Your top challenge or question number 8. In the above case or in online classes, how will we manage the examination? Here's the solution. We will be grading students based on their submissions and assignments. We do plan to conduct online examination in the form of MCQs, which will be taken with the help of the ERP. This is like the abroad city system we know. Things all you students used to expect from the Indian education system. So please, like you have to research independently, place the research wheel in your assignments and you will be graded as per that. And एक और चीज का हमेशा ध्यान रखना, we are always here to help you out. आपके faculties को आप मैसेज या कॉल कर सकते हो in case of doubts and difficulties. Your top challenge or question number 9. What if I attend online classes and don't understand? Will I be able to attend same module via classroom training? Solution? Absolutely. In case you are not able to understand any module through online or e-learning, we will definitely arrange additional lectures for you on weekdays and even weekends. Plus, we have interactive doubt solving and mentoring sessions scheduled with your mentors online on a regular basis. So friends, I hope major of your doubts and queries may have been resolved by now. We suggest you to watch this video again to gain better perspective and solve your doubts thoroughly. It's time to move on. Friends, can you believe it's June? Many of us around the world are taking tiny steps to return back to normal. And the thing we are thinking about the most right now is what our next chapter will look like. We have experienced a tremendous amount of change in our career over the past several months. Actually, हम सबको positive side ही देखना चाहिए because positivity is the essence of success. So look at the positive side, make the most of this time. Listen to your inner voice and drop the laziness vibe because it's time for you to take control of life. So please, reality को accept करें and let's embrace each other virtually. For us, it's been a tough time too. Live talks and sessions are cancelled. events are cancelled, award ceremonies are not happening. Maybe you have experienced something like this too. It's not a choice to reinvent ourselves. Sometimes life forces us to. We have heard from so many students around whose parents have lost their jobs, lost somebody they love, lost their peace of mind, and lost their way. Our awesome students have been asking for help, and we have heard you. Hence, we have decided to bring back and reimagine our most powerful online coaching experience for this unique moment in time. The power of you is back. This leading Indian Design League online learning management portal has been launched on the auspicious day of Akshaya Tritiya, that is 26th of April 2020, for your benefit. We are going to lead the course and take it with you. If you have any other questions about your free access into Indian Design League, online learning management system and app for you, please feel free to connect with your academic mentor and career consultants. Do stay active as the timetable for the online class will drop anytime soon. Till then, happy learning with us. Stay home, stay safe, stay indoors, and keep learning.